Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart.
Hi everyone! In today's video, Nina will share a short story about going to the bank. This story is perfect for beginner English learners. You will learn new words and simple sentences about banking and money. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Nina, and today I want to tell you about something that happened to me last week. I went to the bank, and it turned into a long, surprising day. It was Monday morning. I woke up early and had breakfast. Then I looked at my calendar. Oh, I have to go to the bank today, I said to myself. I needed to open a new savings account. I also wanted to deposit some money and ask about a small loan. So, I got ready. I packed my bag. I took my documents, my ID card, my address proof, and my salary slip. When I reached the bus stop, there was an old man sitting on the bench. "Good morning," I said with a smile. "Morning," he replied. "Going somewhere important?" "Yes," I said. "I'm going to the bank." The bus came. It was very crowded. I had to stand, but I didn't mind. I looked out the window and thought about my new account. After 20 minutes, I arrived at the bank. The bank was quiet and big. Many people were sitting and waiting. I saw a machine. It was a token machine. I pressed the button and got my number. It said, A57A voice came from the speaker. Now serving A23. So I sat down and waited. I waited and waited. 1 hour passed. The number was still only at A41. Then a man sat next to me. He looked a little nervous. "First time here?" he asked. "Yes," I said. "And the wait is very long." He laughed. "Yes, always like this. My name is Arjun." "I'm Nina. Nice to meet you," I said. We started talking. Arjun told me he owns a small shop. He came to ask about a loan. I told him about my new job and why I needed to open a savings account. Just then the speaker said, "Now serving A57? That's me," I said and ran to the counter. A kind woman at counter 4 smiled at me. "Good morning. How can I help you?" "I want to open a savings account," I said. She asked for my documents. I gave them to her. She looked at my ID card and said, "Oh, no. This ID is expired. Do you have another one?" I felt so embarrassed. I had brought the wrong ID. "Oh, I'm so sorry," I said. "It's okay," she smiled. "You can come back tomorrow with the correct one." I nodded and thanked her. As I walked out of the bank, I saw Arjun again. He asked, "Everything okay?" I laughed. "Not really. I brought the wrong ID." He smiled. "Don't worry. Happens to all of us." I waved goodbye and went home. It was a long day and I didn't finish what I planned. But I learned something important. Always check your documents before leaving home.
Okay, that's Nina's story. Now, let's learn some useful English words from the story. These words will help you improve your English and talk about going to the bank. Let's begin.
Deposit meaning to put money into a bank account. Example: she wants to deposit some cash. Token meaning a number that shows your turn in line. Example: her token number was A57. Expired meaning no longer valid or useful. Example: her ID card was expired. Embarrassed meaning feeling shy, sad, or awkward. Example: she was embarrassed about her ID.
Did you like today's video? Tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new words about going to the bank. If you want to learn more vocabulary, I've created a PDF for you. Check the video description to download it. Thank you for watching.